Series of repair part 1. iPhone 14 Pro. RF board swap. Board successfully swapped, and baseband is fully functional. iPhone 11 and XR came in depth. With our diagnosis techniques, an SOP coupled with our troubleshooting methods, and accurate heat control, we successfully brought the two phones back to life. iPhone 12 Pro Max also came in totally blank. By mere physically inspecting the motherboard, we discovered that the display FPC is broken. We desoldered the broken FPC, and then proportionally made a pillow on every pad. Then we resoldered the broken FPC with one of our special soldering skills in a way to make it functional again by using the correct suitable nozzle size and also observing our timing and distance factors. This iPhone 12 Pro Max is also successfully fixed. We have back the display and touch,